So here we are again, talking about the AB1824. And for those of you who don't know, AB1824 was an addition to an already existing law that basically changed the way that law enforcement can sort of profile you based on the sound of your exhaust. And it also made it so that the exhaust ticket. No?
Nope.
Okay, correct me then.
Nope. I'm gonna restart that.
Okay.
No, we're gonna keep this.
The only thing AB1824 did was made the ticket from fix it to mandatory. That was the only thing that it did.
But I thought it also gave the officers the power to just use their opinion.
Their discretion.
Yes, but they've always had that.
Oh.
They were just enforcing it harder because this came out.
Oh, okay. Well, then you interrupt.
But do you think they're enforcing it because they're enforcing it because now they have a fine attached to it?
That's what I think, but they're hiding behind the fact that it's it's for the sideshow, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, sure it is, but it's also because I hate to say it, we know. I don't know about you, I'm broke, but we're car enthusiasts and we want to keep our cars on the road. So we're going to pay whatever fine we have to keep our car out on the road. And I feel like that they're taking advantage of that. But let's start this video with good news because guys, it finally happened. There is a new bill introduced that will hopefully repeal the AB 1824. So it will go back from a mandatory fine that was really hard to get out of to a fix-it ticket, which is way easier to get out of. So yeah.
So it's good for all you guys that already been popped and you got state refed and you're back to stock and your weak ass basic car again. But now hopefully it gets passed and you can put your exhaust back on. So maybe that will come in the future sometime and because I do see and hear a lot of people that have been popped and they're like, I'm done.
Even with stock
I'm done.
exhaust, man, it was pretty gnarly.
But there's a lot of people that have been affected by it. They're not those street takeover guys, and they got popped, and they're back to stock. It cost them a lot of money, and they cannot afford to do it a second time.
Well, I mean, even if they put their exhaust back on, they're still gonna be able to get a ticket again.
No, they're OEM.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're putting their to pass state ref.
Yeah.
So now that they can pass state ref, because of all the money of it, it's cost them to get past the state ref. Now they don't even want to do it. They're like, I'm done. I don't need that loud exhaust. I'm not gonna mess with it no more. And in a way that law that passed, it's kind of working.
Oh yeah, I think a lot of people were scared. I've seen quite a few people like.
Well, once you get popped, are you gonna go through it again? Probably not. It's a lot of hassle.
Yeah.
It's a lot of hassle.
Yeah.
That's what that law is for. It's to create issues for the person that wants to put modified exhaust and be loud or not.
But it's not illegal though. We gotta remember that. It is not illegal to have a modified exhaust in California. As long as it passes emissions and it's under 95 decibels, you're fine. I think the crazy thing is though, when we did this little exhaust test party at PK Auto, we had what was it, a Charger?
Yeah.
A Charger 4 days old from the dealership, just flat out bone stock, failed the test. So
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This law's got it. I'm really happy that we're gonna be able to, the almost 300,000 signatures and us pushing those congressmen to get, things changed. It's great, but I think the vehicle code itself needs to change because, if you went by the law of just that particular vehicle code, technically your car is illegal, AJ. You have a stock GT3.
No, I passed.
But because
My car passed.
AJ, listen! Because you have cutouts on your car, but that's from...
As long as it's not over 95 decibels, my car passed. My car's an angel. Don't you ever talk about my car and say she's illegal. Because she is not illegal. She's from America. Okay?
But if we went by just that vehicle code, she would be, because she has cutouts. Because you have quiet mode and you have happy mode.
Well, as long as I'm in quiet mode, everything's good. As long as she just whispers, it's fine. What's funny is I've actually been deliberately trying to get a ticket so I could get it on film. And unfortunately, it hasn't happened.
Why?
Why?
Because you're old. They ain't gonna pull your ass over. They don't care about you. They care about the young bucks like me and Danny and Marley. Well,
You
Marley's
might- you know
Marley's
what?
not loud enough. Never mind.
You know what? You might be right. You might be
I
right.
am right.
Yeah.
I definitely wasn't loud
Hey,
enough
they
because
say AJ can pay the ticket. We're not gonna pull him over. They want to pull over the younger people that can't pay the ticket,
No.
right?
Could be.
But it is good to see. It's really cool to see the community got together. And pretty much in 30 days, guys, because this law came out January 1st.
Yeah.
It is February 9th. We got almost the 9th.
Yeah.
We got the news like 3-4 days ago. Like in 30 days, we made something happen. That is awesome. That's amazing. It almost brought me to tears, almost.
But don't get your hopes up. It's still California.
Yeah.
That's true.
So, you know, just like living in California, there's a lot of sacrifices we have to make by living here, whether you're driving or living or paying taxes or working or not working. You know, it's almost if you want to enjoy things in life, California kind of makes it a little bit harder for you.
Unless you're rich.
Even when you're rich, you still got to pay. You're still paying, you know?
But I mean, a $600 ticket for some of these cats out I've seen in Beverly Hills, that ain't nothing. That's chump change to them. To us, that's
Those are probably not the cars getting pulled over either.
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah. So
I gotta get a Lamborghini, guys.
they're gonna pull over that black Camaro, that V6 black Camaro that has exhaust.
And it looks all beefy.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a transformer.
My goal
Yeah.
is if I get pulled over, I want the officer to physically say my car's a V8. I'm gonna get it on camera. I'm gonna figure out a way to memorialize it. He's gonna be an internet sensation. He is. I gotta get a cop that says,
What if
your car's
What if he gives you a ticket and he tells you this? I'm giving you a ticket because you're a V6 trying to be a V8.
Damn.
Damn.
What if he says?
Yeah, what if he says that?
What if he says? What if he says? When did Chevy come out with the EcoBoost Camaro? Damn.
We have an EcoBoost.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, we have the i4s.
Well,
Not my
They don't
not
call
my
it
generation,
EcoBoost
but
because that's something that's trademarked by Ford, but
Oh.
they do have a four
we
cylinder.
call ours is i4s.
I-Force?
Inline 4.
Yeah, that's what ours are called. They're cute. I like them. They're really quiet.
They sound worse than some of these Honda Civics out here, bro.
Hey, some
Tell
of
you
them,
what.
we need to
There are
talk
bars
about
out
that,
there?
bro.
Yeah.
I have a family member that has a V6 with the obnoxious exhaust on his Camaro. It's loud.
Is it who I think it is?
Yes.
Is he
Your
my-
biggest fan?
He's such a sweetheart, though. I like
Yeah.
him. He's nice.
Super loud. Super loud.
Anyways, good job, community. We made a big change. Let's keep going. Yeah. AB1824.